Hey friend, it's Leo here of Leo's Art Lab. Today, I'm going to be drawing Larvitar from Pokemon Iron 80, something to draw with. I'm going to be using a marker and a blank piece of paper and something to color with. And if you're new here, you hit the subscribe button, and let's get started. You guys ready? Let's start. First, we're going to draw the point on the top of him, like that. Then we're going to draw his line, kind of pointing diagonal. Then we're going to draw that, but straight. Then we're going to draw his curve with a triangle. Then we're going to draw his face. Then we're going to draw his two eyes. But first we're going to start the points. Now let's start going with the eyes. I'm going to do the exact same with the other eye. Then we're going to draw two eye pupils. With the black dot right inside of that eye. Same thing with the other side. Now, we're start drawing these two lines. The mouth, of course, you can't forget the mouth. Ba-ba! Then, we're going to draw the neck and the arm. Then the exact same. But before we do that, the points. Then we are going to draw the other arm. Then we're going to do two legs. Then after those two legs, you know it, the squares. Well, instead of one, we have to draw two, because that's what is on Larvitar. So, then, I'm going to draw the bottom. And after that, curve. Then we're going to draw this one's foot. Then we're going to draw his nail. Then we're going to do the exact same as the other one, but smaller. Now that we did that, I'm going to draw this part, which is his belly. Then we're going to draw his, like, weird black part on it. I'm going to color that part in too. Then I'm going to draw two lines on this. and that. Now we're all done. Now we'll start coloring, but you can use pencil. Before we get started, the colors that you will be needing: dark red, light red, dark green, light green, and dark green. Let's start. Yay, we did it! We finished drawing Larvitar. I hope you had fun drawing with me today. I'm sure Larvitar turned out amazing. If you missed my last 2 videos, click on the link below and go check them out. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.